With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
If we talk about this question, in this question we are asked to discuss the process of digestion of proteins, right? So basically we talk about the proteins, right? So its digestion basically starts in the stomach, right? In the mouth only the slight digestion of starch takes place. Then the food through the esophagus moves to the stomach where the digestion of protein takes place, right? So in the stomachs there are certain glands present, that's the gastric gland, right? So the walls of stomach have the gastric glands that basically secretes the three main components, that's the hydrochloric acid, mucus, and the enzyme pepsin, right? And the enzyme pepsin. So this enzyme pepsin, it basically brings about the breakdown of protein or the digestion, right? Or the digestion of the protein. So the slight digestion of proteins basically takes place in the stomach, right? Also for the enzyme pepsin to work, right, it basically requires acidic condition, right? Pepsin requires the acidic condition, and that acidic condition is basically provided by the hydrochloric acid that's produced by the gastric gland in the gastric juice, right? So these three things are present in the gastric juice, right? So this is how the pepsin and enzyme pepsin, it brings about the breakdown of the protein. Now the proteins are slightly digested in the stomach, right? Now the digested protein in the form of food, right, it will move to the small intestine, right? So before small intestine starts its digestion, right, so the small intestine, it receives the secretion of two glands, that the liver and the pancreas, right? And the pancreas basically secrete the pancreatic juice, right? Pancreas secrete the pancreatic juice that basically contain the three enzymes, that the pancreatic amylase, lipase, and the trypsin, right? So the enzyme trypsin in the pancreatic juice that is sent to the small intestine, it further brings about the digestion of protein, right? It further brings the digestion of the proteins. Now again the proteins are slightly digested. Now the final digestion of the protein basically will take place in the small intestine. So the walls of the small intestine, they basically secrete the intestinal juice, right? They secrete the intestinal juice that contain various enzymes, and the enzymes, there are certain enzymes that bring about the final digestion, right? Final digestion of proteins, right, that bring about the final digestion of proteins into amino acids, right, into amino acids, which are the simple forms or the monomers of the, or the monomeric unit of the proteins, right? So this is how the complete digestion of protein takes place in the human alimentary canal.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.